Is your father?
Hey, Dad, what's going on?
Nothing much, man. How's it going? How are things?
Good. I'm good. I'm just at work right now. What's up?
Just dealing with some stuff, kind of hanging out. You have a minute to talk?
Yeah, of course. What's going on?
Cool. So, I've been doing a little bit of thinking, and I just want to start off by saying I am really proud of how you are just doing in life right now. You're doing so well for yourself. You've met this wonderful girl and her awesome family, and you're doing great at your job. You killed it in college. I'm very, very proud of you.
Well, Dad, I really appreciate it. Is that the only reason you called?
No. So this is a little bit of an awkward thing, but I didn't know how to talk to you about this. But because you are doing so well in life, I have had to, I don't even know how to explain this.
It's okay, man.
So I've made a decision that I am modifying my will, and
Okay.
I'm modifying my will for the majority of the inheritance to go to your sister.
Wait, what?
Let me explain. You are going to be just fine. I'm not worried about you. You have my full confidence, whereas, as you know, your sister is and always has been a little bit more of a free spirit.
Yeah, she's doing all right now, though. She's getting better.
Is she, though? Like, let's be honest here.
No, Dad, I think you're worrying way too much. She's got a job. She's seeing a guy. Like, she's doing better than she's done in a long time. I think you got to give her a little credit.
I mean, I'm hoping it works out. I'm hoping everything works out just great. But,
It will, Dad. I mean, she's going to be fine.
I mean, maybe, but maybe not. So what I would prefer to do is she is going to get the majority of the inheritance because, God forbid, if something happened to me, she is going to need the help more than you would.
Wow. No offense, Dad, but you don't have any money.
Well, it may not be money per se, but I do have assets. And
Assets?
yes.
What assets are you talking about?
Well, first of all, I don't know if you're aware of this, but I, for many, many years, collected baseball cards. And I have a couple collections from the 60s, 70s, and 80s.
Baseball cards?
Yeah, baseball cards.
Dad, nobody buys baseball cards anymore.
Oh, no. These are the good ones. These are the classics. I've got this Otis Nixon card got appraised a couple years ago.
No, Dad, honestly, baseball cards aren't a thing anymore. Kids don't even play with them. Nobody has them. I mean, honestly, Dad,